Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a natural lip balm with some amazing ingredients. I'm going to use these nice little lip balm containers that I found, but you can use different types of containers, like for example these macaron containers, as you can see here, or some little plastic jars of 5 milliliters or 10 milliliters. You also find some aluminum tins. I left some links down in the description for some options that I found for you or in your respective area. Or if you want to opt for a classic lip balm tube, that's also a possibility. And if you do this, I will show you some tips later on. Let's have a look at the ingredients that we are going to use for our lip balm. First one is beeswax. This comes in small chips, as you can see here. Sometimes it also comes in chunks, and this one is the refined version, but you can also use the unrefined beeswax, especially if the typical honey scent is something that you desire in your lip balm. Then we have coconut oil that comes in solid form as well. And then we have two soft oils. The first one here is sweet almond oil, and then we have the avocado oil. Optional, but a great addition, is Flavour Oil. It's very important that you use a flavor oil that is typically designed for our lip products. Or if you use an essential oil, check on the website of your supplier that this specific essential oil is lip safe as well. Usually a flavor oil is. Let's go ahead and make these amazing lip balms. We need to weigh out our ingredients according to the recipe that you will find in the description of this video. You could use a scale, or if you're making small batches, even this digital spoon scale. Another method is to measure by volume. That is not so precise, but it works if you don't have any other possibility. For info, 1 tablespoon is 15 grams and 1 teaspoon is 5 grams. Another possibility is to measure liquids with a pipette. Usually it comes with a little scale with the markings of milliliters. So let's measure out the ingredients. First one is the beeswax. Beeswax is perhaps the most essential ingredient in our lip balms. This is because it contains natural moisturizers that lock in moisture from the air and helps keep the skin looking firm and plump. The way you can use this spoon scale, as you can see here, is you can just pop it in your bag and then spoon out the ingredients. But here for this purpose I just wanted to show you how the digital scale works on a flat surface. Now we're going to add the beeswax in our little container, and this one here is the coconut oil. Coconut oil helps retain moisture within the skin and prevents it from drying out. It protects cracked lips from infections as well. Sweet almond oil contains vitamin E and helps to rejuvenate your lips. It prevents chapped lips and keeps them moisturized. And last but not least, avocado oil. Avocado oil is skin softening and helps to give the lips a supple feeling, which is why it is ideal in lip care. We will now put everything on a gentle heat to completely melt down. I like to use a double boiler, but you can of course also use a microwave. If you do use a microwave, use short increments so you don't overheat the mixture. While our mixture is fully melting, I will prepare the containers so I can just pour the mixture in it when ready. And I'm also cleaning it out with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a kitchen roll just to make sure that everything is clean and sanitized. Once all is fully melted, you need to add the Flavour Oil. Give it a good mix and then we are ready for the pour. I like to use a pipette because this one is a really small quantity and it is very practical for me. Give it a good mix so everything is fully incorporated. And now we can just go ahead and pour the mixture into the little containers. It won't take a long time for it to completely solidify, and once it is, you can already use the lip balm. As a quick tip, if your wax solidifies on your glass jug, you can just use a heat gun or a hair dryer to remelt the wax so you can continue to pour the mixture. If you want to pour the lip balm into a tube, you can also use a pipette to do so. You could also, of course, use a funnel for it. And then once hardened, if you see these little holes or the surface is not smooth, you can also take a heat gun again, point on it very gently. It won't take a long time and you can see the hole is gone and the surface is completely smooth. If you want to make a large quantity of lip balms in tubes, you can use this pouring tray like the one you can see here. It is very practical and I have a video covering my entire process, how I make and label the lip balms, if you're interested to check it out. There is also another video here on my channel where I'm making this lip balm in macaron container. Our candy lip balms are now completely hard and ready to use. There are more skincare recipes and projects here on my channel, as you can see on the screen. Please feel free to check them out and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more such projects. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I hope to see you around here very soon for another video, and in the meantime I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!